over 50 already, actually over 55. Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. As you see, my voice is kind of strange as I'm having a cold. So today we are talking about athleisure and activewear. Indeed, and despite having this cold, I had so much fun creating these outfits for you, and that you could also feel inspired after watching this video. Usually we do some New Year's Eve resolutions, and if one of your New Year's resolution is to either start exercising or doing more exercise, I hope you might feel inspired with this video. I'll often see people wanting to know how to wear our activewear, especially women over 40, 50, 60 and above, that sometimes think that these more fitted leggings, these more fitted tops are exclusively for young girls. Grab a drink and stay to verify that is absolutely not true. So if you are like me, over 50 already, actually over 55, feeling and experiencing these menopause side effects, doing exercise is actually one of the best ways we have to lower these horrible side effects. And also, most importantly, feel amazing in each phase of our lives. Getting older is actually a privilege of only some people. So let's enjoy and be thankful. Let's do our best to cope in the best possible way with all those changes we are experiencing on our body and also on our minds. And we know that one of menopause side effects is lowering our metabolism. But we can also find ways to kind of reverse these effects. And one of the ultimate way is definitely through exercise. Each of us should find an activity that we enjoy doing it and that we can do on a regular basis. It can be tennis, running, swimming, riding a bicycle. For me, it's definitely running. I started to run since I was 13, and since then I already did some half marathons. At the moment, I run kind of 2 to 3 times a week. Each time I run around 10 kilometers. So exercise has incredibly good benefits for us. We stay fitted, toned, avoids osteoporosis, that is one of the worst menopause side effects. And you might be wondering, how do I know all these things? Well, because besides having studied fashion, I also studied to be a nurse. And I indeed work as a cardiology nurse, so now you know a little bit more about me. With all that being said, let's move on to today's video's purpose of showing you my new athleisure and how I get prepared to do my exercise. The pieces you are going to see today are all from Halara. This is a brand that went viral on TikTok and Instagram. Seriously, I could not scroll through something without seeing some Halara leggings, tops, dresses, you name it. Halara uses this fabric science. They have some fabric innovations, and this feels touching the pieces. On the other hand, Halara's has a fair price, so these are not expensive pieces, because we know that sometimes these more innovative and science-based fabrics are really expensive, and not everyone can afford these pieces. And also, not less important, is that Halara is size inclusive. For instance, these leggings that I'm wearing are available from the size XS to the size 4XL, which is just amazing. Congratulations, Halara, for being so size inclusive. About these fabric innovations, this fabric science, my light blue leggings and the burgundy ones are made in a fabric called Softlyzero, which is a weightless, buttery, soft fabric that is absolutely breathable and sweat absorbing. Then my black and my khaki green leggings are made in a fabric called Ultra Sculpt, which is a fabric that highlights our curves. It's soft and sleek, it has some compression for shaping effects, but is also breathable and sweat absorbing. So as you are seeing on the side, I'm wearing the burgundy top with the burgundy trousers. This top has an incorporated bra with removable pads that you can actually not being wearing. Very comfortable, and especially for my activity that is running, there is this much impact on the floor and we need to have support for our chest area. So I found these tops amazing. This is the black top, it's the same design, so again it has an incorporated bra with removable pads. So the burgundy outfit is perfect for any activity, especially for running, but you can definitely wear these kind of tops and leggings for any other activity you wanted to do. These trousers have side pockets on the legs, which is very handy. These pockets on these leggings are perfect either to carry my car key and the phone on the other pocket, and thus this way I can run with my hands free. In this next outfit I'm wearing the long sleeve pink top over the bra top, and the long sleeve top is this one. So really comfortable, lightweight, breathable. I already did an exercise. I ran for 10 kilometers wearing this same outfit and it was perfect. I already washed it, of course. It's like new, so it washes perfectly. I think this top is again perfect. It has these foam holes allowing the sleeves to cover this part of your hand, so it's also perfect to run in the cold weather. These ones have no inside padded bra. Let's move on to the next outfit, and I'm wearing these black leggings. These black leggings have this waistband. These are made in the sculpt fabric, so this also innovative fabric. It's actually made with 3 layers, so this waistband is composed of 3 layers that kind of sculpts our body perfectly. You have to pull the fabric with some strength to kind of feel it. Again, these trousers have 2 side pockets, as the burgundy ones, and they are both long length. All these leggings are available in 3 lengths. So the long lengths that are mine, the 7/8 length and the capri length. It's perfect for summer. I'm 5'7", but I have tall legs, so I knew I needed the long length, otherwise they will be cropped on me. As you see, this sculpts our body, do this tummy control that most of us enjoy. Also available from the XS to the 4XL. I'm wearing the navy blue long sleeve top. So when you touch these fabrics, you feel fresh. This is a very nice fabric for exercise. The other pair of leggings that I chose was these ones in light blue. They are again made in this Softlyzero fabric, the same as the burgundy ones, and they also have this crisscross waistband at the front and like that at the back. Also 2 side pockets. With these leggings I'm wearing the same navy top, and this is again another perfect outfit to do my runs. Let's now talk about the green trousers that are a different design. These ones have this kind of seams that also are very flattering on our body. The fabric is also very stretchy. We see that it does some compression around the waistline. It has this double fabric waistband also. These trousers have no side pockets, but they have a back zip pocket, which is again perfect. It's smaller, but it's the perfect size to place my phone and my car key. This blue, kind of royal blue, electric blue tennis dress that is again perfect. It has an incorporated bra, really comfortable with these shorts. Again, with the pockets to, if you are playing tennis, you can of course place your tennis balls here, really handy. And one of the characteristics that caught my attention. I need to have this dress, that this is perfect. This dress, as you are seeing, on the back it has this opening that allow you to go to the bathroom as you were wearing a regular pair of shorts. Amazing detail. I'm very pleased with all these pieces. Indeed, Halara sent me these pieces for me to try. But of course, these are my honest opinions, my honest review on their pieces. I really hope you like this activewear, athleisure wear from Halara's. And again, thank you, Halara, for sending me these clothes. They will be definitely of great use for me. And that is all for today. I really hope you find this video inspiring. Really, start exercise. If you haven't exercised in any time of your life, start by walking. It's never too late to ask you. I really appreciate if you could subscribe. It's free for you, it doesn't cost anything, and you could even imagine how much this helps my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!